When it comes to making coconut rice, there are different methods that you can use. These are the list of my ingredients. In my bowl, I'll be going in with 4 cups of rice. Instead of me to parboil this rice, instead I'm going to soak it with hot water. That's why I said there are different methods of preparing coconut rice. I will soak this in my hot water. I will cover this and allow it to get soft while I prep my other ingredients. I will go in with my shredded coconut and add water and blend. The reason why I shred this coconut is because I my blender cannot blend it very well. So I have to shred it. When I'm done blending, I will take it to my cheesecloth and I will press out the juice. This is the way I'll be pressing it out till when there is no liquid coming out. Then I will trash the shaft. I'll be using ginger and garlic, and this is how I'm going to shred it. Then I will also blend my scotch bonnet pepper together with my onion, but I will blend it rough. I will cut my onions like this and also blend it. I'm cutting it so that it will be very easy for me to blend. I will blend this rough intentionally because I don't want it to be smooth. This is what I'm talking about. So when I'm done with that, I'll come back and check my rice. It's already soft, but not that soft. Then I will sieve it and set it aside. In my pot, I will go in with my vegetable oil, and then I will now add my ginger and garlic blend, my protein. I've already cooked this meat that is inside. Then I will stir it. The reason why I'm frying this is just to give the oil the flavor or the taste that comes with stocks. Then I'll go in with my pepper and onion mix. I will stir this together. I will add my thyme, just a little thyme, curry powder, just little. The reason for curry and thyme is to enable the scent for the aroma to come out well. I'll go to seasoning cube and I will also give this a good mix. Once I'm done with that, I'll add my parboiled rice, the one that I've soaked. You can parboil your rice, but I soak this. Then I'll mix it with the sauce together. Once I'm done, then I'll go in with my coconut water. Then I will mix this together. I will cover this and allow to cook for few minutes. After that, the rice is almost ready. But since I did not parboil this rice, it is not that soft and you can see that the water is already drying. So I want the rice to be like it should be one. I don't want it to come together. So I will go in with my salt. If you notice, I've not added salt. It's not that I'm putting salt in the rice. So I've added my salt. Then I will take my foil to cover it so that the thing can soft. Just the way you are if you are preparing party jollof rice. You want it to be coming out one. So I will use my foil to cover this and allow to cook. With the help of the foil, it's going to get done very well. So now the rice is fully cooked and it's soft. Like this, my coconut rice is ready. Are you seeing this particular pattern? This rice, it tastes real good. If you try it, I would like you to come back and let me know how it tastes. Very simple procedure, but great taste and result. Are you seeing it? So I will eat this with my cucumber. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. I will want to know where you are watching this video from, and also if you are going to give it a try. Bye for now, and I will see you in my next one.